Hello children, good morning. I hope you all are fine. Yes, and are you revising your science regularly? I hope that you all are doing learning as well as revision of your science. Yes, so children, today we are here again. So as we have completed all the revision work also individually of each chapter, right? Chapter number 2, chapter number 5, chapter number 8, chapter number 11. Yes, we have completed all the revision work. So now today I'll make you revise the only textbook exercises of all the chapters. Okay, so today we will revise all the textbook exercises, and in next period, in next video, I will explain you and we will revise together the notebook exercises. Okay, so shall I begin the class? Yes, I am starting it. Okay, so all of you take out your page number 12. Okay, because on page number 12 our chapter 2 exercises of chapter 2 is given. Okay, so let's start doing revision. First of all, MCQs questions are given. Okay, multiple choice questions. So we get linen from sheep, flax, bamboo or petroleum. So you all know that we get linen from flax. Yes, we get linen from flax. Okay, which of these materials do we get from animals? So from animals से हमें कौन सा मटीरियल मिलता है? We got wool, we get cotton, jute or linen. So linen we got from flax, and flax is a kind of seed only, right? So and seeds come on plants only. Yes, so jute is also a plant product, cotton is also a plant product. So wool we get from sheep. Yes, so sheep is an animal. So out of all these options, wool is the correct option. Yes, we make glass from glass, कांच हम किससे बनाते हैं? Animals? No. Plants? No. Sand? Yes. और petroleum भी no, है ना? We make glass from sand. Yes, रेत, sand जो होती है उससे glass बनता है. Yes, we make glass from sand, right? Which of these is a metal? इनमें से कौन सी चीज़ metal है? Copper, flax, timber और rubber. Copper is a metal, right? Which of these things is not made from materials dug out from the earth? इनमें से कौन सी चीज़ है जो ऐसे मटेरियल से बना है जो अर्थ से डग आउट नहीं होता? यस, द मटेरियल्स दैट वी गेट फ्रॉम अर्थ. आउट ऑफ दीज ऑप्शंस which material is not belong to that category? Yes, so is it petrol? No, petrol we get from earth. Plastic we get from that only, right? From petroleum products only. Diesel from earth only. Yes, so linen we get from flax seeds, and flax seeds are not dug out from the earth. Yes, so linen is the correct answer. Where do we get these materials from? Okay, rubber, we get rubber from rubber trees, cotton from cotton plants, leather from animals, glass from sand, petrol from petroleum, plastics from petroleum. Yes, plastics also we get from petroleum. Okay, what materials are these things made from? ठीक है, ये जो the pictures which you see, that you are seeing here, these materials, what materials are used to make these things? Yes, so chair is made of wood. Yes, these bottles are made of glass. These forks and knives are made of stainless steel. Yes, this tire is made of rubber. These pots are made of clay, and this cap is made up of wool. Yes, and wool we get from animal, right? So in this way we have revised the exercises of chapter number 2. Now let's revise chapter number 5 exercises. Okay, open your page number 33 now. Okay, chapter number 5, living things and non-living things exercise we will revise. So first MCQs are given. Humans breathe through. Human beings, like I, like you, we breathe through our gills. No, we don't have gills. Through our noses? Yes. Through fins? We don't have fins. Through air holes? No. So we breathe through our nose. Yes. So humans breathe through their nose. Which of these does not breathe? Mosquito, plant, fish, table. Mosquito, it breathes through its air holes. Yes. Plants breathe through their stomata. Fish through gills. Yes. And table is a non-living thing. So how does it breathe? It does not breathe. So table is the correct answer. Okay. Turn to page number 34. Now see, humans cannot feel, move, lay eggs or grow. Humans can feel, humans can move, humans can grow, but they cannot lay eggs. Okay, so the correct answer is lay eggs. Plants can make food without, है ना? So plants can make food without air? No, they need air. Eggs? Yes, they can make food without eggs. Yes. Without sunlight? No, they need sunlight. Without water? They need water. Okay. So eggs is the correct answer. Okay. Now choose the correct answer, then fill in the blanks. Here two options are given and you have to pick on the correct option and then you have to write down that correct option in fill in the blank. Yes. Fishes move with the help of. Fishes किससे move करती हैं? Legs और fins. Fishes के legs तो होते ही नहीं है. They don't have legs, so they move with their fins. Yes. Plants need food. Yes, we all know that they need food. They make their own food or they find food. Yes, they make their own food. How they make their own food? They make their own food with the help of air, sunlight and water. Right, students? Plants breathe through. Plants, how do plants breathe? Plants breathe through their stomata or gills. Gills fish are having, not plants. Stomata is there in the plants, so they breathe through stomata. Yes. Now see the next question. Birds reproduce by. Birds, how do birds reproduce? They reproduce by laying eggs or giving birth to young ones. Birds reproduce by laying eggs. Yes, they do not give birth to young ones. They only lay eggs. Yes. Okay, now match the following. Birds breathe through air holes, leaves close when touched, breathe with gills or have wings with feathers to move. So birds, they have wings with feathers to move. So this is the first answer. Yes. Now fish. So fish का क्या होगा आंसर? Breathe through air holes, leaves close when touched or breathe with gills. So fish breathe with gills. So second answer is this. Yes. Insects breathe through their air holes. Yes. So this is the third answer. Yes. Touch me not, leaves close when touched. Right, students? So in this way we have completed the exercises revision of chapter number 5. Okay, now children, all of you open your page number 55. Okay, let's revise chapter number 8. Exercises of chapter number 8, parts of a plant. In which of these plants is the food stored in the root? Root में है ना, कौन सा प्लांट ऐसा है जिसकी फूड स्टोर होता है उसकी रूट में? अनियन, कैरेट, बैम्बू और मैंगो. इट इज कैरेट. ओके. विच ऑफ दीज प्लांट्स हैज़ अ वीक स्टेम. ठीक है, बहुत वीक स्टेम होती है किसकी? बैनियन की? नो, इट हैज़ अ ट्रंक. मैंगो also trunk. Money plant, yes, it has a weak stem, so money plant is the correct answer. Okay. Banana, no. Air enters the leaf through the. Air कहाँ से enter करती है plants में? Through stomata. Yes. Through main vein, no. Through stem, no. Through side vein, no. Through stomata it enters the leaf. Yes. Which of these fruits has only one seed inside it? Yes. So out of these fruits, which fruit is only having one seed? Let's see. Watermelon, no, it has many seeds. Mango, one seed. Papaya, many seeds. Pomegranate, many seeds. So mango is the correct answer. Which of these parts has a baby plant inside it? So seed, leaf, root, stem. So seed has a baby plant inside it, because whenever we want to grow a new plant, we have to sow the seed in the soil. Yes. Now, next question is true and false. Roots take in water from the soil. Yes, we all know that plants make their food with the help of soil and water. Yes, and roots helps them in making the food, because from roots they take in water and then plants make the food. Yes. Now, next is carrots and radishes store food in their roots. Yes, carrots and radish store food in their roots. So this statement is also correct. Plants take in oxygen from air to make food. Plants take in oxygen? No, they take in carbon dioxide from air to make food. Yes, plants need air and especially they need carbon dioxide to make food. So this statement is wrong. Chlorophyll makes the leaf look green. Okay, chlorophyll, due to the presence of chlorophyll, the color of the leaf is green. Yes, this statement is correct. Okay, all fruits have only one seed, because there are many fruits that have more than one seed. Yes, like apple, like pomegranate, like papaya, many fruits are there. Yes, so this statement is false. Now, next question. Name the following. The type of root seen in a mustard plant. Okay, type of root seen in a mustard plant. So mustard plant में कौन सी root देखने को मिलती है? We can see tap root in it. Okay, an underground stem that stores food. So कौन सी ऐसी वो है underground stem जिसमें store करते हैं food? That is known as ginger. Yes, the flat part of the leaf is leaf blade. Yes, the tiny openings in a leaf through which air enters, that is called as stomata. The gas that plants give out while making food, it is known as oxygen. Right, the gas that plants give out while making food, it is known as oxygen, because they take in carbon dioxide and they give out oxygen. Yes, now let's move to next page. Turn to next page, page number 56. And here is a picture of a leaf making food. Help the leaf to take in and give out the right things by fill in the blanks. Okay, so plants take in what? Carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. Yes, and they gives out then oxygen. Right, student? So this is the process of food. Yes, this is the process of making food by plants. Yes, now let's do exercises of chapter number 11, light, sound and force. Okay, now all of you open your page number 79 and let's start the exercises of this chapter. Okay, so which of these is not a source of light? Moon, sun, flame, bulb. So sun, flame, bulb are the sources of light, but moon is not a source of light as it takes light from sun. Right, now which of these is produced when the path of light is blocked? है ना, इनमें से कौन सी चीज़ प्रोड्यूस होती है, कौन सी चीज़ बनती है जब पाथ ऑफ लाइट को हम क्या करते हैं? ब्लॉक करते हैं. रिफ्लेक्शन, शैडो, साउंड, एनर्जी. सो आंसर इज शैडो. राइट, नाउ विच ऑफ दीज वुड अलाउ लाइट टू पास थ्रू इट? इनमें से कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ है जो लाइट को अपने में से पास कर देती है ना? वो टीवी है, बुक है, विंडो पेन है, या सारी चीज़ें. तो टीवी और बुक में से आप लाइट को पास नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज दे आर ओपेक ऑब्जेक्ट्स. यस, बट विंडो पेन इज अ ट्रांसपेरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट, सो इट कैन अलाउ लाइट टू पास थ्रू इट. यस, सो आवर आंसर इज विंडो पेन. Now see the next question. Which of these sounds can cause damage to ears? है ना, कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ें जो हमारे ears को damage कर सकते हैं? The chirping of a bird, the sound of a whisper, the bursting of firecrackers, or the sounds of leaves in a breeze. So the answer is the bursting of firecrackers, क्योंकि क्रैकर्स जब बर्स्ट होते हैं, जब हम उनको जलाते हैं तो we will feel very yes, we will feel very irritating, very annoying. Yes, because they just damage our ears. Okay, because loud sounds are not good for our ears. Yes, which of these has energy stored in it? Food, battery, petrol. Food gives energy to human beings, battery gives energy to toys. Yes, and petrol gives energies to scooter, activa or car. So these all things are correct. Yes, all of these will be the answer. Now let's see fill in the blanks. We can see a book when it reflects light to our eyes. Yes, हम बुक को कब देख सकते हैं? जब वो क्या कर रही है? It is reflecting light to our eyes. Yes. Now next point is dash allows light to pass through. So क्या allow करता है अपने अंदर से light को? Glass. Yes, clear glass we have seen ना. कांच जो होता है वो अपने अंदर से light को पास करने के लिए अलाउ कर देता है. यस, वी कैन सी फ्रॉम द ग्लास. यस, क्विक back and forth movements produce sound. We all know that how sound is produced by quick back and forth movements, right? Now to move something we have to dash or dash it. किसी चीज़ को मूव करने के लिए either we have to push it or we have to pull it. Yes, and how does our body gets energy? Our body gets energy from food. Okay, now see the next question. The next question is draw a circle around the sources of light. Okay, so bulb is a source of light, candle is a source of light, mirror no, sun yes, moon no, because moon is getting light from sun. Okay, it does not have its own light. Okay, now turn to next page. See children, here we have to mark true and false. Okay, only the sun can produce its own light? No, because there are many other things like stars. Okay, many other things also that can produce their own light. So only the sun is not true, it is false. Yes. Now when the path of light is blocked by an object, a shadow is formed. So this statement is true. Yes. Now see, back and forth movement of something produces sound. Yes, this statement is also true. Okay. Now music can damage your ears if played very loudly. Of course. So it is also true. You need more force to move heavy things than light things. Yes, this statement is also true, है ना? Because we need more फोर्स, है ना, हमें ज़्यादा फोर्स की ज़रूरत होती है अगर हम कोई हैवी थिंग को क्या कर रहे हैं, लिफ्ट कर रहे हैं या उसको मूव कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो चिल्ड्रन रिवाइज योर एक्सरसाइजेस ऑफ ऑल द चैप्टर्स टुडे. ओके, एंड वी विल डू द नोटबुक एक्सरसाइजेस टुमारो. ओके, हैव अ गुड डे, स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ, स्टे ब्लेस्ड.